How to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will learn how we can transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your Coinbase Wallet. Once you're here, tap on transfer at the bottom right corner. After that, from these options here, you have to tap on send crypto. Now it will ask you to select the cryptocurrency that you want to send. So from there you have to select your cryptocurrency, then tap on it. So here it's Solana. I will just tap on Solana. After that, it will ask you to enter the address for the cryptocurrency that you have selected. Now to find the address of your cryptocurrency on your Coinbase, you have to open up Coinbase in your device. So from this home page, on your Coinbase, you have to tap on the search at the top right, and in the search bar you have to select your preferred cryptocurrency where you want to view the address for. So since I have selected Solana, tap in the search at the top, search for Solana. So head over to the first option, that is Solana. After that, scroll down and from these options here, tap on receive. Now on your interface, you have your Solana address. So you have to copy it. Tap on the copy button next to the address, and once you have copied it in your clipboard, you have to head back to your Coinbase wallet. At the top, you have to paste the address that you have copied recently. Once you paste it, tap on it, and after that, you'll be prompted to enter the amount. So enter your preferred amount. Then you also have to enter the recipient details. If you want to send it to yourself, select the option as send it to myself. If not, make sure to provide the recipient details or the address. So once you're done with that, preview your transfer, then tap on send now button. After that, you may have to go through the verification process where you may have to verify the 6-digit code from your authenticator application. And once verified, your amount is now transferred. That's it. That's how you can transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.